We all know you gotta put stickers on your windows so birds don't hit them, but Weed forgot, and Venom got stuck in her grate on her migration. So Venom's at Weed's house now. Here's what they were up to today.
Today we're making cake. We're making cake a special way, special ingredient. And I know it. I am the inventor of microcooking. He knows.
All right, Venom, let's get started. Could you get your first ingredient, please? The cake mix. The cake mix. The cake mix. Venom, the cake mix. Venom, we have neighbors. The cake mix, please. Venom, no! The cake mix! It's everywhere. Venom, can you point out the cake mix? Venom, can you get the cake mix out of the cupboard? It's the stage right cupboard. Venom, can you get it out of the stage right cupboard? The stage right cupboard? The stage right cupboard. The stage, I'm the audience. You're stage right. The cake. You found it, Venom. You found it. You found it. Preheat the oven. Wait, no. Yes.
You want to be a baker? Go on YouTube. Start recording. You need 4 ingredients. Water, earth, oil, flour, chocolate bar, crushed pistachios, cayenne peppers, eggs, banana slices, peanut butter.
Don't forget to separate the egg and the yolk.
Come on, go. Proceed to beat cake mix. One of our most important and final ingredients is this nail polish. Any nail polish color or combination will do, but it is an integral part in making a cake. You cannot have a flavorful, colorful, incredibly masterful cake without nail polish. And I'll explain to you in just a moment why this is so integral for our cause. You are getting a sneak peek into the backside of my mom's house. This is not going to be anywhere else. It's only exclusive on YouTube, so make sure you hit that like button, subscribe down below, and just comment Chod and Chid forever. I'll send you a subscription package for some more ingredients and like the real science behind what nail polish does for your cake mix. Now what I've just done is encouraged my mini cactus. If you want your cake mix to set properly in the microwave and or oven and or dishwasher, you're gonna need a pet or family member to encourage. Your cake mix can sense the relationships you have in your house. That's why I'm a feminist and I believe in my little girl here. Okay, gamers, so you're gonna wanna have this cake in the oven for at least 3 days. Now, I know that's gonna use a lot of energy. You may get a high PUD bill, but it is worth it for the succulent chocolate ass that this cake is.
you go, everybody. That's how you make a cake. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and we'll subscribe.